Even though this is a small room, I'm going to measure it on both ends, make sure our walls are parallel. We got 76.5 inches. With the room measured, we're going to mark the center, 38.25, snap a chalk line. Now that we have our center line, we can measure our plank. This plank is 6 inches wide. So if we measure off of our starting wall to the center line, see what number we have, you can see that we're 38.25, which is going to give us a 2.25 inch plank. We don't want less than half a plank. So what we can do now simply is split a plank on the center line. So essentially we're going to move the center line 3 inches. This is going to add 3 inches to our starter plank, and instead of starting with a 2.25 inch plank, we'll start with a 5.25 inch plank. This is a small enough room that we could glue from our center line and glue half at a time. In most cases, you're going to need to move your center line back to a starting wall. What we're doing here is just moving this line 15 inches, 2 full planks, plus the 3 inches where we're splitting our center line. We're going to snap another chalk line, and this will be where we start our ADURA Flex installation. If the planks have directional arrows on the back, the directional arrows should all be going the same direction. If you have a complicated layout, planks can be pre-cut and dry laid prior to the adhesive application. Make sure the planks don't slide around on us. It's always a good idea to check a plank and look for transfer on the back of the plank.